Last spring, she was diagnosed with a terminal form of brain cancer and was given 6 months to live.
Should we see if Mommy is on the
She moved
TV?
from California to Oregon because there, doctors are allowed by law to prescribe life-ending medication to patients who are older than 18 and have been given less than 6 months to live. She took that medication on Saturday.
Tori Wells spoke with an expert on this complicated issue. She joins us from UAlbany's downtown campus. Tori?
And that expert here at UAlbany says that Brittany Maynard is a game changer in this debate because she was young, she was articulate, and she could speak to a group of young voters who may not have thought about death in this way before. Now, as you mentioned, we know that this has been an issue debated in our region for several years now. Vermont passed a law in May of last year allowing for lethal prescriptions at the end of life. And just this morning, the Vermont Department of Health told me that 5 people who met the requirements of that law have submitted forms since that law was passed. We do not know if they used the medication that was prescribed to them. In Massachusetts, voters turned down a similar measure in 2002 when it was put on the ballot, but lawmakers there are still considering it. In June, the Public Health Committee ordered a study of the issue. And Dr. Giza Lopez from UAlbany has studied this issue extensively. She tells me that Maynard's story could create some momentum now for groups that are pushing for legalized assisted suicide.
What Brittany has done for the cause, in a sense, was to bring home the point
Is it Mama?
to a group of people who might not otherwise have been
You say
paying
Mama?
attention, and they may make a difference in Massachusetts or
Right
anywhere
there.
else, really.
Isn't that amazing?
And of course, this is a very emotional debate with passionate points of view on both sides. So coming up tonight at 6, we will share what some voters in Massachusetts think, why some say that this is an option that's a no-brainer, and why some say it's just wrong. We're live in Albany. Tori Wells, CBS 6 News.
All right, Tori, thank you.